To YouTube, it's your main man OG Kicks, coming at you live from the sneaker stash in the DMV. And today, man, got some kicks that, you know what I'm saying, I didn't think was going to beat the final boss, but they did, you know what I'm saying, they made it to the crib. I ordered these, I think Saturday before last. And, you know, thinking that they was going to sell out. And, but they still got size available. Different sizes available. Got FOOTLOCKER hit on the ship to me, and somewhere in transition, you know what I'm saying, they got mixed up. Like they ended up FedEx sent them to USPS, I think, and it was just the tracking. I was just like, man, the whole time I'm just thinking like, Charlie, I should have just. But I ain't know, because last time they dropped, man, beautiful retro orange box. Yeah, the last time they dropped, they sold out. So I'm thinking, you know, the other two colorways set that dropped. So I'm thinking these gonna sell too. The other colorways gonna sell. So I'm thinking these gonna sell. But you know what I'm saying, they sitting. But we got the Ed Griffey Max 1, white, black. Freshwater, 911, man, on the deck. And yeah, they done you know what I'm saying? Jones finally getting here today, man. So here y'all, man. Just classic. And I do like the Dion ones, the Bo Jacksons. But when the Griffeys dropped, man, it was just something dope about these joints, man. You know, I don't know, it was the air bubble. I always like the air bubble going all throughout. And then Griffey, man, cool dude, hat on backwards. Bow, man. Got the King Griffey Max. You know what I'm saying? Ones, man. Got the baseball. You know what I'm saying? On 5 with the flames. Got the swoosh. You got that teal, freshwater, black, white. You know what I'm saying? You got the teal, air bubbles, man, air units. White, black, and teal, midsole, man, coming up to the upper. You got that black and white. You know what I'm saying? You got the 23 with the swoosh. You know what I'm saying? Got that pull tab right there. White swoosh, outline in red. Right on, plastered on that teal. You got the freshwater swoosh, white freshwater swoosh with the black teal pull tab, man. Bad boys is cold. Yes, I had to cop these. You know, had to throw them in the collection, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the teal sock liner. Got the teal insole. Yeah, oh yeah, red Nike. Teal sock liner, red Nike, man. Black sock line all around. Got the extra glove inside. Just dope, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the little hit of red right there. Teal. Yeah, that one little hit of red right there, man. They really set these bad boys off. You got the leather. Got your leather on your swoosh. You know what I'm saying? With this flat matte leather. And then you got the new buck. Cold, man. Had to get them. You know what I'm saying? Had to put them to the collection. Got a couple pieces from Outrain coming through. To measure these. Also be on the lookout for the waiting on my brick by bricks to get here. Brick after brick. Should be here soon. Stay tuned for that one, man. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below. Did you cop these? How you feel about them? There was a couple of Dion's. Like I said, the OGs, you know, the black, red, and white Jones. I do want those. I had those so many times and always sold them. But they dope. But you know what I'm saying? And then the twos, instead of saying air right there, I wish they put a air unit right there. But you know, they sitting. You know, the red pair. I posted on a story. Dion got another pair coming out. But you know what I'm saying, I always like the Griffies, man. So comment down below how you feel about these. Did you cop, skip, no flip? They sitting, but and besides this, even though I can't say they sitting, but it is a few sizes available. If you watch my sneaker shop with my brother, it was a pair. They had a size. That one particular Snipes had a size 8 and a 13, something like that. So I mean, they drying up. Everything drying up. It's just not that instant sellout. Unless it's something like the Black Metallics, the Wolf Grays, or Crazy Collab, or something like the Dornbecker 17s. They flew. Like, they had them lined up. So certain shoes they gonna have lined up, and certain ones, like I said, the resellers can't make no money off of it. They're gonna be available for you, man. So don't even trip. And it's always something dropping, so it ain't no need to try to. I mean, go your limit, man. Like I said, you got the capital, do what you do. But yeah, do you, man. But yeah. So like I said, stay tuned for the. I'm waiting on those brick at the bricks to come through. And yeah, man, just getting off work, about to give me some grub, whatever, chill. Appreciate y'all for taking time out, man, checking out these fresh waters with me. You know what I'm saying? Unboxing. Like age, not your shoe size. Treat yourself, never cheat yourself. If it don't fit, don't force it, brother. And I get up with y'all on the next one, man. Peace.